We appreciate your interest in taking up the training courses offered by the Institute for Oil and Gas Sector. To enroll in the courses you are interested in, please complete the enrollment form with the necessary information about yourself and submit it to move to the checkout page. On the checkout page, review the correctness of the information you provided. The order summary will list the title of the course you wish to enroll in, along with its fee. In here, you can enter a discount or coupon code and click Apply if you have one. A valid discount code will display the reduced fee and the amount payable after the discount is applied. Once you verify all the details, you can then select the Express Checkout option to complete the course fee payment, or you can choose to move forward to the next step for the alternative payment method available. Here you can find a number of options for paying the course fee. Just select one of them and click the Place Order and Pay button. Once clicked, you will be able to pay the fee using a debit or credit card. Or if you wish to pay through PayPal, you can complete the payment by logging into your PayPal account. Once the payment completes, your order will be immediately confirmed, and a thank you message, along with the order confirmation details, will appear on the screen. In addition to the order confirmation message on the screen, an email confirmation will be sent to you, acknowledging the payment and providing a payment receipt. In the event that the payment is unsuccessful or fails, we advise attempting a different payment method than the one previously selected. If, after a reattempt, you are unable to complete the payment using any of the payment methods provided, you can opt for offline enrollment by downloading the PDF form available in the enrollment overview section of the website's enrollment page and adhering to the stated guidelines. Within 24 hours of making the payment, you will receive another email from us with all the details you need to start studying the course you enrolled in, including your enrollment or LMS ID and the password. As soon as you have the login credentials, you can head over to our website, click the Student Login section located at the top right of the website, and begin your online study from anywhere and at your pace and convenience. Enrolling in a course and learning online with the Institute for Oil and Gas Sector is that simple and easy. If you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.